On how to set up your Adobe Illustrator document for your toolbox. If you're an illustrator, click File and New. You can obtain this template from Toolbox, but if not, this is one way to set it up. You can choose Custom, and you can make the width 400 millimeters by 140. Click to change these. Make sure it is in the landscape option. There is one artboard and that you're using RGB color, and click Create. This is emulating the size of your side rail for your toolbox. In order to laser engrave, we need an image to work with. If you go to the internet and save an image on your computer, make sure that you do not copy and paste it. You need to save it to your computer locally and then click File, Place. So I've got this surfing logo. I click and place it. It's now hovered under my key, under my cursor. I click to place that image. To resize it, if I do not hold down Shift, it will be distorted in size. So to keep it uniform, hold down Shift and you can make it bigger or smaller. You'll notice there is a white background. That means this is not a transparent image. So we need to do what's called image trace, which is found up here. If you cannot see it up here, make sure you change your layout to Essentials Classic. Click the image and then click Image Trace. You'll notice it's done some work already. You can choose from the following options such as black and white logo, and this little panel is an image trace panel properties, whereby we can go top to bottom and view black and white logo, tracing result, black and white, and this threshold slider is really important to the quality of your laser cutting project. You increase that, it makes it darker or lighter. You'll see less threshold makes it less visible, and more makes it darker. It's important to ignore a background color such as white. There is a picker or a chooser there if you want to adjust that. You can actually adjust the paths if you wished as well to make it more detailed. You must click expand once you've finished that. And you'll notice that the image basically halves in size. This is now ready to go. You can expand it. To center it, simply move away your image trace panel. And you'll notice up the top there are these center or horizontal align center and vertical align center buttons. If you wish to off-put it to the left, that is also totally fine. Once you have done this, File, Save As, make sure you save it on your computer and save it as an Adobe Illustrator file. Make sure you have your name as the file name.